Today, we'll discuss how to achieve naturally glowing skin at home. 1. Skincare routine. 1. Cleansing. Demonstrate how to cleanse with natural products like raw milk, rose water, or honey. 2. Exfoliate. Mix 2 tablespoons of sugar with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil for a refreshing, energizing scrub. Exfoliate your skin gently in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Doing this 2 to 3 times a week removes dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and boosts blood circulation. 3. Toner. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, while cucumber juice soothes and hydrates the skin. Apply the toner using a cotton pad or spray it on your face for a refreshing feel. Toning helps tighten pores, balance your skin's pH, and prepares it for the next step. 4. Moisturizing. Aloe vera gel is lightweight and perfect for oily skin. Coconut oil and shea butter are amazing for dry skin, keeping it nourished and supple. Step 2. DIY face masks. Turmeric mask, turmeric, yogurt, and honey for brightening. Aloe vera mask, aloe vera gel, and vitamin E for hydration. Banana mask, banana, honey, and lemon juice for natural glow. Demonstrate how to prepare and apply these masks. Step 3. Healthy diet tips. Highlight foods that promote glowing skin, e.g. fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and water. Share simple recipes like smoothies or detox water. Mention the importance of avoiding processed foods and sugar. Step 4. Lifestyle tips. Importance of staying hydrated, 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Benefits of regular exercise, yoga, walking. Adequate sleep, 7 to 8 hours, and stress management techniques like meditation. Avoiding harmful habits like smoking and excessive caffeine. Step 5. Special tips for long-term glow. Importance of sunscreen for protection. Weekly facials or steaming at home. Using silk pillowcases to reduce friction and prevent wrinkles. Regularly drinking detox teas or warm lemon water in the morning. Let's share your favorite natural remedies in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next week.